Hello friends, welcome to my second video of HTML. Today I want to share about our ordered list and unordered lists. So basically I'll try to come back to the previous page which I have created, and I'll try to delete all the headings. So I'll just try to type in first, and then I will try to explain. So let me come to the first tag called as ordered list, that is called as OL. So this should be closed, and I'll say in an ordered list I have a different items. Create a new example. Let me say I have a list of fruits. Fruits. Okay. In fruits I have mangoes, apple, uh, banana, and guava. Okay, guava. So these are my fruits, and I have to save all these four items in the list of fruits. So I can do this with the help of ordered list. So let me say this is 1, and this is 2, and this is 3. So this is 3, and this is 4. Okay, so these are the 4 fruits under the fruits category. So let me say go to index. So this is ordered list. I'll say this has first is mangoes, so I'll close this li. Next comes li apples, and I close this with li. Next say mangoes, sorry, li. This come with banana, b banana. So li. Let's say the last item is guava. So li. So let me save this and double click on index.html which I have created. So if you see 1, 2, 3, 4 has been assigned to the members. So I can say heading, this has a heading h2 heading, and so this has fruits, and I'll save this, refresh. So you can see here the fruits, under fruits we have 4 fruits. Okay, what if I don't want to have, what if I don't want to have numbers besides this? Means I just want to have a dot beside the mangoes. So you can say this as a dot. So this comes under the category of UL, unordered list. So ordered list is a sequence like 1, 2, 3, 4. Unordered list doesn't have any sequence. So I'll just try to change the OL to a UL tag. Unordered list. I'll just try to save this, and I'll refresh this. You can see that the hash signs that have been assigned to the members. So this is the basic things about ordered list and unordered lists. Next is you can add some more changes to the members. So let me say under the unordered list I have 2 categories, like to say I have fruits. Next is I say I have something called as chocolates. So under this I have 5 star. Let me say as 5 star. Let me say this as perk, and this next you can say it as Bornville, 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 and you can say this as munch. So I have these 4 items under the categories. So I can just say now as I'll just try to remove this heading H2, and I will try to put it as a list item. Okay, under this I can say this as fruits. Under the list items, I have a unordered list. So let me say next I want to create something called as fruits and chocolates. So how to do this? So let me come back to this, and I will delete the previous thing which I have done. So this comes under the category of UL, and under this I have two list items. One is called as fruits. You can and next is I can say this as fruits, and next is I can say this as chocolates. So under these fruits I have, if you see this example over here, under these fruits I have mangoes, apples, bananas and guava. So what can I do here is I will just try to press enter over here, just try to create some space, and under this I can say now comes to the category of unordered list. So under this again I will try to close this tag of unordered list. So UL, so I can just say unordered list. Under this unordered list I can type back the items again, list of items. You can say this as mangoes, so this as apples, this is banana, this is sorry, this is guava, so this finishes the first category. So let me save this. You can see the output here. So under fruits you have 4 categories. By default this has put a round sign without darkened in circles. So under chocolates I have 4 more items to be done. So under chocolates you can just say under chocolates you can just again press enter, and you can go for UL, unordered list. See, this is called as indentation. Indentation is just to understand the simplification of the software, or to understand the loop where the function is working. It's not mandatory to go for this kind of indentation, but it is a good practice to go for this kind of indentation, because you'll understand where the loop is closing first. So if you see here, the list of items is closed here, UL is closed over here, but if you see this UL is not closed yet, so I can close this UL over here. Okay, so we can go for UL. Under UL you can say list of items as 5 star. Okay, next you can say this as list of items as perk. You can say next as munch. Next is born while. So I'll just try to save it. I'll just try to close this loop here. So UL. So now if you see from this you can clearly understand that the UL is closed over here, and LI is closed over here, and UL is clearly closed here. So this is the advantage of having a indentation. So as your code increases, indentation is a very good practice to keep up. So I'll just save it. I'll press refresh. So this is how the unordered lists are created in the HTML. So this finishes my second tutorial on second video on HTML. I hope you have liked it. If you have any doubts, you can please leave a message under the video.